In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a simple video promotion email in Mailchimp. We'll be putting together a clean, effective email that encourages people to click through and watch your video without making the process feel complicated. This is a great option if you want to promote a new upload, share an announcement, or keep your audience engaged with fresh content. To begin, open Mailchimp and go to the area where you can create a new campaign. From there, click Create. Then choose Email. This will start a new email draft and bring you into the setup process. Take a moment here to make sure you're creating the right type of email for your goal, since this will be a standard promotional message designed to drive clicks. Next, add your recipient list. This is the audience that will receive your email, so choose the correct list or segment carefully. After that, enter your subject line. Keep it clear and compelling so subscribers immediately understand what the email is about. Then add your preview text, which is the short line that appears next to or underneath the subject line in many inboxes. This is a helpful space to support the subject line and give people one more reason to open the email. Once the basics are in place, move on to the design section. Choose a visual template that gives you a clean layout and makes the email easy to scan. The goal here is to keep the message focused. Add a thumbnail image that represents your video well, since visuals can strongly influence whether someone clicks. Then include a brief hook text. This should quickly tell viewers what the video is about or why it's worth watching. Keep it short, clear, and benefit-driven so the message feels immediate and engaging. After that, add a watch video button and link it directly to your YouTube video. Make sure the button text is easy to understand and that the link goes to the correct destination. It's always a good idea to double check the button and review the layout before sending, just to make sure everything looks polished and works as expected. When your email is ready, the final step is to either send it right away or schedule it for later. If your audience is most active at a certain time, scheduling can help improve visibility and clicks. If everything looks good and timing isn't a concern, you can send it immediately. That's it. You've now created a simple, effective Mailchimp email to promote your video clearly and professionally.